Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy, the Glow Up Guru, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm also going to show you how I do colored brows, cheap and inexpensive, and fast. So yeah, keep watching. I love you guys, and if you don't mind, please like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Please leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. Tell me what you think. Do you like my makeup styles? You want to see more? Do you not want to see more? Give me some advice if you don't mind. So yeah, keep watching. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not naked. I'm in my bra. Close enough. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm about to jump into it. Ain't nothing but to do it. So yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Luigi. Something like that. If I was an Italian character in a game. Like Mario. Anyway, keep going. Also guys, this is a wig I made. Video coming soon. It might be before this video or after this video. So yeah, subscribe and hit that bell button, guys. Hit it, punch it, slap it, do something with that button. And hit all to get all notifications, because there's like a list of what you can get. There's a lot. There's like 3 choices, but pick all, please. Alright guys. Oh, I'm back, y'all. So yeah, I might be quiet and do a voiceover. We'll see. Alrighty guys, so my secret to creating colored brows is a lip pencil. You can either get a lip liner that's red, or as you see, I didn't have a red lip liner, so I use pink. I need to buy some red lip liners. And I just fill in my brows. My brows are growing in really nice. They used to be so thin I had to get them plucked so much, but now they're kind of growing back. They're little spars on the tips. But yeah, you just follow your eyebrow pattern. And that is by NK. And yeah, guys, I got that from my local beauty supply. And this is just a different color of the lip pencil. So I got like a dark pink and a light pink. Okay? And then I'm just wiping the excess from my eyebrow. And guys, they don't look perfect at first, but they will. And guys, just try and color in the little hairs that you have. My hair is naturally a dark brown, so my eyebrows are a little bit darker. And now I have sped up the video. So I have this Ruby's Profusion eyeshadow. I just blew on it just to get the powder out the way, the little excess. But yeah, right now I am using red, or the burgundy shade, and I am lightly adding it to my brows, basically to fill it in. So use a lip liner to outline your eyebrows in the shape, and then go in with an eyeshadow, and this would just make it pop, whatever color eyeshadow. And guys, you can use this with different colored lip liners and different eyeshadows, different color eyeshadows. So yeah, keep watching. And now I'm just blending the front of the eyebrow, because you don't want just rectangle brows on your face. So what I do is I take these little baby wipes I got from Walmart. It's the Quake brand. Very cool. They're flushable as well. And then I'm going to take a contour stick that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. And I'm going underneath my brows. And as I go underneath my brows, I am lining it. And then I forgot to put my primer on, which is glycerin, vegetable glycerin mixed with water. And I got this glycerin from Walmart, and it's the Equate version, okay? And I just pour it into the water, shake it up. Yeah. And I just spray that all over my face. And next time, like, do it before you do your brows. Put the primer, glycerin mix. And that's something I found that can help moisturize your skin as well by allowing moisture from the air to come into your skin. It absorbs the moisture from the air, the glycerin. And now I'm using a highlighter to go underneath my brows. Yeah. While I'm using the highlighter, I just try to make the eyebrows pop a little bit. And that's me smiling. And I got the Ruby Profusion palette. And I am just coloring. Well, not coloring, but it feels like I'm doing art, y'all. I'm just going in with a medium tone tan color. Then I'm going to go back in with a nice burgundy color on my lids. Then I'm going to go ahead and take some darker burgundy and put it on the crease of my eyelids. And then kind of smoky eye it. Yeah, kind of buffer it so it looks a little deeper. And I'm using the same shade. And I'm going underneath my eye socket. Or what they call it, tear ducts. And I'm just doing that. And then I'm going to take some of the shimmer and put it on my eyelid again. I'm going to put some eyelid shimmer. And guys, I'm wiping my nose and the excess. Like, these wipes are really like a lifesaver when it comes to makeup. Right now I'm taking an eye marker that I got from the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. Y'all already know. And I am just taking that. I like to make a triangle. Well, I didn't do it in this technique, but I just go over that line. I have deep set eyes, so it tends to crease. I hate that. And there's a way to not make it crease, but I'll have to show y'all that in another video because I forgot to do it. There you go. Ain't that pretty? And then I'm going to take some Maybelline mascara. It's called the Colossal. And just go over my eyelashes. And I go over it a couple of times. Start basically feather it a little bit. Then go up and rough it up a little bit. Yeah. And then I'm trying to like fix it a little bit more with the eyeliner. And guys, makeup is art. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's how you personally want it. Okay? There's no right or wrong way to do makeup. It's what you prefer and what makes you feel good. Right now, I'm going to cut some eyelashes because my eyes are kind of tiny. And guys, I got these Dollar Trees from these Dollar Tree eyelashes. They're a little thin. They're tiny. But I didn't want the look to be dramatic too much because my hair is already loud and bold. So I'm going to use Duo glue. Put it on my eyelashes. Blow on it. I love Duo glue. And then I'm going to cover my eyelids. Well, not lids, but kind of like near my lid, but near my eyelashes with it. And once that's done, I kind of like, gotta play with it. Gotta play with it. I'm just smoothing it out. So now I'm back. They look really natural. Like, I don't like to look overdone. I like it like a natural face, usually. And guys, I'm using number 38, 338. I think that's it, yeah. In Spicy Brown by Maybelline. And it's the Fit Me Matte. I'm just painting that on there. Yeah. Using the brush. These are guys are some brushes I got from Amazon. Ooh, I messed up my eyebrow. Oh no. I can fix it. Just wait. I can fix it. And I'm just getting it all in there. And guys, I do color, put the mask, the foundation under my neck to blend it in. I hate seeing people with makeup and then it's like a different color from their neck. So I just put it all the way down to my neck. Just halfway. Now I'm going back in with the eyeshadow to make it better. To fix the mistake that I made. It's good not to admit when you made a mistake. So I fixed them. I think I fixed them off camera. And now I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer. And guys, the concealer I use is basically lighter than me. It's like a lighter concealer. And I kind of messed up the contour. Not the contour, but the highlight. Not highlight. And I'm just dotting it with my, blotting it out with my beauty blender. And guys, you gotta blend. I see other YouTubers doing this, and I'm like, bro, when do you have to stop blending? And basically, they said blend until your fingers hurt. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just keep blending until it's blended. Because you don't want harsh lines if you can help it. So I actually take my concealer all the way up to my, past my cheekbones and up past my eyelids, my eyebrows. That way, I can have a lifted look on my face. And now I am just using this darker brown. It's darker than my skin is by Fit Me. It's a concealer. It's just a few shades darker than me. And then I go ahead and use powder to set everything. I did not show how I blended the contour. But now I'm just taking some foundation powder and going in and filling in my so now I am putting powder on the parts that I highlighted. And I'm using Black Radiance in Cafe, and I'm also using it in Golden Almond for the highlight. So it's Golden Almond, and then for the darker shade to contour, I believe I use Ebony. So yeah, guys. And my skin tone is like a cafe color for Black Radiance. That's the main foundation. And I'm just blending it really hard and fast. Dang. Now I just pucker my lips a little bit so it looks more defined and more chiseled. And it helps me have a line to basically fill in. And right now, guys, I am just going around with the Cafe Brown. It's like a cafe color. And that helps me basically blend in the concealer and the contour with a powder that's close to my skin tone. You see what I'm doing? You get what I'm saying? You like them when I'm cooking. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so now I'm going in with some bronzer and using it as like a highlight. And as I'm highlighting, I'm going around my... Notice I'm going above my cheekbones. and just a dab on my forehead. And then I just go over where I concealed. And guys, I made a mistake. It's concealer. I was concealing under my eyes and stuff with the lighter color. And then I was contouring with a darker color. And then I highlighted on my nose and stuff. And guys, I just used blushes by Black Radiance. I think it's in Ruby Red. And now I am just using 2 Dollar Tree lip glosses. One in burgundy. And the other one in like a pink color. And guys, the Dollar Tree got some good makeup. I don't care what nobody say. Like, if you're on a budget, go ahead and get you a little bit of makeup from Dollar Tree. You never know. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take some Nick, I think it's NYX, NYX, and use it on my face. Alrighty guys, so thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. Keep me in your prayers. Your girl has been sick, but I'm back with a vengeance.